Hey guys, before I get started, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified when a new video is uploaded. Okay, so let's get started. If you see me looking all over the place, the camera is this way, but I'm editing videos and all kind of other stuff right now. But I wanted to come on here to explain to you guys that my name has changed again, and I think this is going to be the final one because I have this name for all my social media sites. Sorry you guys for my alarm. The batteries do need to be changed, so don't come for me. But my name has changed to GorgeousOneMink, and the reason why I changed it again because it was 121085 baby girl. Then I want to change that one because it was kind of old. Then I changed it to My Heart's Diverse, and then I came up with this beautiful name that I really love, which is GorgeousOneMink. And I came up with that one on TikTok. If you guys don't know, I'm on TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Snapchat. It's GorgeousOneMink for all of them. GorgeousOneMink on Instagram as well. I just decided to do this for all of them except for Facebook. Facebook has my actual name, which a lot of you that I have been friends with for a while on YouTube that are my YouTube sisters already are following me and are friends with me on Facebook. So if you don't know what my Facebook name is, it's Natalie Savoy. It's not GorgeousOneMink. So if you're trying to find me, it's Natalie Savoy. You can friend me on Facebook. I love to be friends with you guys, but I wanted to come on here and tell you all that I had changed my name again, just in case you was trying to follow me, or just in case, or subscribe to me, or just in case you was wondering why it changed again. So I'm kind of updating pictures on my my page because everything is kind of old, and I just made my first video for this year. So I've been on TikTok a lot, guys, trying to get my followers up. It's so hard on TikTok. Meanwhile, I will be making some videos about that. But I'm still trying to kind of update you guys on YouTube because I got a lot of videos that don't show my social media sites. It's old information. So I'm trying to update all that. And it's basically what I'm doing because I want you guys to I'm not too much into makeup, so for all my YouTube sisters that was there from the beginning, from years ago, I know you guys used to me doing makeup videos, but I've grew out of that for some reason. I don't know why. I do it every now and then, so if I do it, I might post, a video here and there, but it's not too much of that. It's more so cooking videos, like tutorials on how to make this recipe or how to make that recipe. And more so, like if I have any hacks or makeup hacks or something like that. And also, like wig reviews and hair reviews. I love stuff like that. So you're gonna start seeing more of that on here. And I know you guys haven't been consistent when it comes to making videos. I really haven't. So I don't know. I haven't been on here a lot. I've been looking here and there at other people's videos, but I haven't been making my videos. Sorry, you guys, for the noise in the background. Someone starting their car or something out there. But I will try. I am trying, you guys, to upload more videos on YouTube. And it was more so the editing part for me. See, on TikTok, it's super easy to edit videos just quickly, under probably a minute or two. And on here it takes a good while for me, especially if I gotta transfer all my videos to like my Google Drive. Then I have to transfer that and save that to my computer so that I can make these videos come together. It's a lot. Sometimes I edit my videos on my phone, but I still have to save it to Google Drive, which takes time to download on there. So It's a lot, but I'm trying, and I'm sorry because I really haven't been consistent, and I've been promising you guys more videos, and I haven't. I know y'all like, she keeps saying that, but we're gonna see. But that's basically what I was coming on here for, guys. How many of you guys got stimulus? I haven't got mine yet, but I'm just curious, who got their stimulus? And who's still waiting on taxes too? But the IRS is completely backed up, guys, and I'm not understanding that. And I'm hearing that there may be another I know this alarm is super annoying. It's super annoying to me too. I need to change it. But anyway, I know this fourth stimulus is coming out, so it's better for them to catch up. I hope that they fund the IRS, because the more money they give for the IRS, the more employees they have, so they can have more people handling the taxes, handling the stimulus. They should have more people. That's just my opinion. But I understand with all that's going on with the pandemic and stuff. Hey, a lot of people is losing business. A lot of people is losing employees. It's a lot going on. Comment, guys, below, what has changed for you guys during a pandemic. I'm not even gonna lie, with this vaccine going on, it's kind of scary, because you don't want to take it because you're scared, because you don't know what's the side effects, or what's the long-term side effects for this. But then again, you don't want to catch the coronavirus. So I know I can't be the only one that feels this way, but I think I think you all should take the vaccine as well. But that is all your preference, so it's up to you guys what you decide to do. But just take precautions whether you take it or not. But I really would like to know about my old subscribers, about my current subscribers, and if you are just joining this channel, let me know, what you guys like, what videos you like for me to post more, wig reviews or cooking videos, because those are my two main videos that I will be posting. So I really would like, sorry, my son is texting me, but I really would like to know what kind of content you guys want me to do. And I'm trying to multitask. I kind of want to get my Instagram followers up too, but I don't know, it's like I'm so focused on TikTok, and I want to stay focused on here too. So I'm gonna do TikTok, I'm gonna do YouTube, and then next I'm gonna start on Instagram once I start getting my YouTube up and going, because I had it going before, guys. I had it going. I was doing really good on YouTube, and then I just stopped, and I was like, I really regret that. I wish I would have just kept going, even if it was one video here and there. But a lot of rules have changed. So you have to really watch how you post content. You have to really watch how you post anything on here. It's a lot. It's really, really a lot. But I really want to stay connected to my YouTube family, because I love you guys, and I really want new subscribers. I want new subscribers to join the family, the Gorgeous One Mink fam, or shall I say Mink fam, because I'm gonna call you guys something. I don't know what it is. What you think? But that's basically, I keep saying basically it. I'm seeing what else do I need to go over. If you're not following me on any of those social media sites, or if you don't know where is my social media sites or what's the names, I do try to post it in my the bio section of this video, or however you say that, the little drop menu. So my screen just went blank. Hold on one second, guys. Okay. My cooking videos, the recipe videos, If you want me to do something a little different that I have not done on this channel, let me know. Let me know in the comments. If you want me to try a wig, or if you want to send me a wig to review, hey, you guys can get in touch with me on Instagram if you want to message me. My Instagram name is also GorgeousOneMink, which should be in the drop menu below this video. Let's see, the wig reviews. I really want to start trying those brown sugar wigs. Like, I really love those wigs. And the new ones that just started coming out with the HD lace. I think that's what it's called. I think it's called HD lace. They look super real, you guys. Like, it looks like your normal scalp. Now, I'm trying not to like mess up my edges. So like this wig right here, let me see if I can show you guys, which I have a rig review for this wig on my channel that I just posted not too long ago. But I try not to, I leave my own edges out, and I don't want to glue it. I don't want to glue it here because I'm trying to save my edges. I'm trying to keep them, I'm trying to get them to grow. Oh, my earring just fell. I'm trying to keep them to grow. I'm trying to keep them growing. But if you, matter of fact, if you're trying to save your edges, I'm all over in this video, so guys, excuse me. If you're trying to save your edges, try not to glue. Don't glue no wigs to it. Oh, there it is. I just seen it. There it is. But don't glue the wigs, the lace and stuff to it. Try to, you know, kind of like blend it in somehow, because it'll save your edges. And plus, you can take your wig off at night and let your regular hair breathe. And that's what I was not doing before, and I really need to let my regular hair breathe. But I was only supposed to talk to you guys about simple stuff on here today, but I really was in a talkative mood. But I want to try to be on here a little more, so you guys, and let you know what's updated and what has changed, like my name and stuff on this channel. So if you're looking for anything, or if you see anything kind of off and you still see My Heart's Diverse on some of my old videos, if you see 121085 Baby Girl on some of my old videos, just know that I have not got a chance to update that, or just know that that's some of my old videos, and just on my newer videos, you'll see, you know, it's GorgeousOneMink. So thank you guys for watching and hearing this little annoying alarm. I'm gonna try to fix that, guys. But thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you guys, if you don't hit that notification bell, you will not be notified of the new videos when I upload it. Bye bye, guys.